Hey guys, Jake from Full Access UTV. Today I want to say, first and foremost, please click that like and subscribe button. Me and my family appreciate it. Today I want to talk about ARM supports, shock mount braces. Basically I have 6.5 things to do. And I had a customer yesterday talk to me on the phone and basically just want to call and argue with me about needing to do them because his dealer said he didn't need to do them. And his friend said he didn't need to do them. Well, you know, it's real aggravating, and I just told him, you can do what you want. You know, I'm not gonna sit here and argue with you and so on and so forth. And to me, it's common sense. You look at simple things. So I wrote it down today. I was like, hey, you know, it's always the same thing I do every 2 months. I'll sit down and look at the salvage yards and see what's available for KRXs and of course, what's broken on them and why, and how do we fix it? So that's what I did. So what I'm gonna do is take the phone and kind of show you guys what I looked at today. All right, guys, so here's a shot of my computer. First thing I want to show you is today's date. So it's 4/22. Trying to set this up in a box so it's nice and steady, but basically I'm going into Copart. Like I said, this is something I do every couple months, and I'll look through all these salvage KRXs and just see what's wrong with them. You know, first one I looked at, you can clearly see the trailing arms ripped off the back of this thing. Dude, hopefully this video comes out. I didn't want to do anything too crazy for it, but got a big lifted one. You know, and then some of these, here's the point, guys. I mean, this is the prime time KRX. Just look at the money, time, custom bumpers, tires, rims, light bars, all the time and energy and money that you and somebody else puts into these things. You don't want the insurance company or the dealer totaling them because of just something really dumb and stupid. So anyways, I went through this whole list. There was a ton of KRXs that are totaled right now. And some of them, you know, they look fine. And you're just like, I don't even know why that's there. You know, some are a little front end damage. Some look totally fine. Could be just a transmission skid plate's the issue and it totaled the frame out. So anyways, what I did is I right clicked, opened it in a new tab. And if you guys will notice, all these tabs up here, these are all tabs of images I have taken for these cars. So this is a new, this is a 2022 KRX shock mount. By the way, 2022s have nothing done different since 2020. But that's a front shock mount ripped out. There's another angle of it. Sorry about the glare off the screen. This is a rear trailing arm ripped out. This is definitely becoming more and more of an issue I've seen. And matter of fact, we just did a video the other day about it. So rear trailing arm again, another view. And as you can see, it's completely wadded. Here's another KRX front shock mount ripped off. Different angle of it. Another angle. And this one here is a green KRX, and you can see right here, a little hard to tell, but the ARM mounts have ripped off. This picture makes it a little easier to see it, but then you got another blue KRX shock mount through the hood. You got a green KRX, this is a rear shock mount ripped out. And you can see the angle of that rear shock. And then even more of a close-up, clearly it's not sitting in its mount because it ripped off. This one's a rear radius rod's bent. So we've been seeing some of this. Definitely Super ATV upgraded ones are nice, but that's that twisted out. And then this was another KRX, and it's kind of hard to tell when I actually put it in the computer and zoomed in. You can see there's no lower A arm here. The mount, it's actually laying right here. And that's another one where the air tabs failed. So again, guys, we're not selling snake oil. The dealer's wrong. You put that much time, energy, and love into these machines. You don't want them totaling it for something as stupid as a brace and a mount that rips through. So, you know, who's benefiting? You know, the insurance companies are not benefiting. We're paying for it because our rates keep going up for stupid things like this. And then Kawasaki in the end, unfortunately, they're the ones that are definitely benefiting from these kind of things. But, and hey, maybe we're benefiting, but we're giving you a reason of why, you know, to brace your machine up. So this stuff doesn't happen. You don't lose all of that time and energy invested. So anyways, thanks for watching my quick video. Jake from Full Access. You guys have a good day.